love it. You love it. Saw her twice.
Oh. This way. Grandma, you want to go? Do it, burnout.
Want to race? She smiled, and then she couldn't go nowhere.
Yeah, and I had to go as far as I could go.
Well, that was hard too.
Oh, so you going that way?
She with them? Yeah, she's with them. Oh, they're all together. At least if she hit him, she knew him. Nope, that's your car. Papa Dodd's coming.
You got it. How you doing? Yeah, our company. Yeah, cup on your car. Oh shit, the car behind me was had to slam on our brakes.
Well, we don't want our cup to spill.
Yeah, we got
drinks.
I got water in here. We got filled up with water. See if it splashes. Get y'all wet. You like pulling that?
Huh?
You like pulling that?
Well, I'm trying to get it set straight. Play with the hell I want to play with.
There she is again.
Hey!
She brought her boyfriend this time.
Oh, it was a girl, another girl.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Our girlfriend, whichever one.
Oh, they drive it back and forth, and that cup has fell.
I guess I could look at Live 360 and see where we're at it.
I didn't leave it there. I put it there. There's that guy again.
Hi, seen you last night. That's why you're the worst year GTO, right next to me. They tried to bring the GTO back and it doesn't look nothing like it. They put a big V8 in it. That's gonna go.
That's one. Yeah, they're hiring. Is that a bug? Look, she's flying.
This is going too slow. This side's going too slow. At least she was more friendly today.
Yeah.
Because you got her friend with her. She was nervous yesterday. Alright, Kim, you're not working tonight, right? There are weirdos staring at me. Alright, this side goes faster for now.